Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be talking about what Widgetable app is and how to use it. Let's get started. Widgetable is a creative app designed to personalize your iPhone's lock screen with interactive widgets, fostering deeper connection with friends, family, and even virtual pets. This app lets you add interactive widgets to your lock screen, keeping you connected with loved ones and adding a touch of creativity to your device. So let's move to how to use it. First, what you need to do is go to your app store and install your app if you haven't. To your app store, then search Widgetable app on your search bar. So this icon pops up, tap on that and you'll see the install button there. Tap on install, and after installing it, open up your app. Once you're in, you'll have to log in with your Apple account. You can also log in with your Google account. So after you're in, tap on explore at the bottom to browse a variety of widgets from pet companions to mood indicators. There's something for everyone. You can also select a widget you like, customize it by choosing colors, fonts and other settings, and once you're satisfied, tap on save. After that, to share your widget with a friend, go to profile and friends option, then tap add a new friend and enter the code. Then both of you need to exchange codes to connect. After connecting, hold down on your lock screen, tap customize, then add widgets. Select your Widgetable widget and place it where you like, and then you can enjoy your personalized lock screen, interact with your widgets, send messages or check in with friends. So that is all about Widgetable app and how to use it. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video.